Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making meat saag, a perfect combination of meat cooked with spinach and spices. It is a brilliant recipe. Do not give it a miss. For this recipe, I'm using goat curry cut pieces. You can choose any cut of your choice. I'm using with bones. If you want, you can use boneless as well. So it's 1 kilo of goat with bones, curry cut pieces. So let's get our prep done. I need 1 tablespoon of freshly grated garlic, so around 6 garlic cloves. So ginger, around 2 tablespoons. This also will freshly grate. Half a tomato. For this recipe, we don't need much. So just half tomato. I've taken off the skin and I'll finely chop that. 1 large onion, finely diced. So our chopping and cutting is done. Let's make our spinach puree. For our 1 kilo mutton, we'll be using 1 bunch of spinach. So with the spinach, I will also use half a bunch of mustard greens. So if you don't get your hands on mustard greens, so you can skip that completely and just use spinach. So because mustard greens are in season, I will definitely use it. So I've cleaned my spinach. I've given it a good wash and I'm just going to use the leaves. And this is 1 bunch. And along with that, I'll be using half a bunch of mustard greens. This is also cleaned and washed thoroughly. Now we'll blanch it. So our water is ready. It's nice and boiling. Let's add the spinach. Along with our spinach, we'll add 3 green chilies and handful of coriander leaves and stems. We'll cook this for 5 minutes. So our spinach is perfectly blanched. Let's give it an ice bath. This not only stops the cooking process but also retains the vibrant green color. So our greens have cooled down. We will squeeze the water. Now we'll grind this into a smooth paste. That's our paste. All our ingredients are ready. Our chopping is done. Our spinach puree is ready. And so is our pressure cooker. It's ready on medium flame. We add 1 cup of mustard oil. 1 small bay leaf. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. We add in our chopped onions. We have to cook the onions till we get that nice brown color. So around 5 to 7 minutes. So onion is nice and brown now. We add in garlic and ginger. We'll cook this for around 3 minutes. We add in our tomatoes, salt. Again, we cook this together till the tomato is nice and soft. So we cook this for another 2 minutes. And now we add in the mutton. So we cook this for 10 minutes on medium flame. We keep stirring in between. This recipe requires a good amount of oil. That's why we've added like 1 cup of oil. You know, we need that rogan, and rogan is the oil that floats on top of our curries. You know, you're not eating this dish every day, so once in a while, indulging is okay. Time to add in the masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon hot variety of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of meat masala powder. Now again, we need to cook the mutton with the spices. So we turn down the heat to low and we cook this with the masala for 10 minutes. So our mutton has been cooking for 10 minutes now. See, most of the moisture is reduced. So we add hot water. This is 1 cup of hot water. Secure the lid, cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium-low flame. It's been 4 whistles. Turn off the heat and let the cooker settle the pressure naturally, and then we'll open and check. Let's check if the meat is cooked. See, you can see it's cooked. So now turn the flame back on low and we'll add our spinach and mustard green paste now. Mix it all together. So simmer this for 5 minutes. So while it's simmering, we add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves. Our meat saag is ready, and for the final touches, I'm going to add my homemade garlic oil. If you don't have it, no problem. All you need to do is just slice up some garlic in oil and fry it till nice golden brown, and then add it towards the end. That's it. So around 2 teaspoons of garlic oil along with the fried garlic. Adding fried garlic to your dish will make a lot of difference. The smell, the taste, the flavor, everything is going to be just yum. So final stir and we are ready to serve. I hope you like this delicious recipe, meat saag. Let me know in the comments, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.